KTM 390 Adventure India launched details confirmed, specifications, images, and more. KTM India has officially shared the launch details of the Adventure sibling of the 390 Duke and RC 390, the 390 Adventure. As per reports, the KTM 390 Adventure will launch in India by mid 2019. The 390 Adventure shares a design similar to the flagship Adventure motorcycle from the brand, the KTM 1290 Adventure. Mechanically, it remains identical to the current 390 models. The KTM 390 Adventure is powered by a 373cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that makes 44 bhp and 35 Nm of peak torque. The engine comes paired to a 6-speed gearbox. Other features include a TFT instrument display, long travel front and rear suspension, dual disc brakes with ABS, slipper clutch, and ride-by-wire technology. The 390 Adventure will also have dual sport tires. Once launched, the KTM 390 Adventure will rival the Royal Enfield Himalayan and the upcoming BMW G310 GS. Thoughts on the KTM 390 Adventure? KTM India is currently doing really well with their RC and Duke models. Fans have been waiting for the 390 Adventure for a long time now. Now that the news has been officially realized by the KTM India, you can finally wait for a good budget performance adventure motorcycle. The expected price for the KTM 390 Adventure lies between rupees 2.5 to 3 lakh ex showroom.